Welcome to Episode 5 of Clojure for Beginners. Conditionals, branching as expressions. In Clojure, if returns a value. We'll also cover when and cond. And a surprise, zero and empty strings are truthy. Let's start the REPL. If tests a condition, true here gives us yes. False gives us no, both branches are required. Now the surprise. Nil is falsy, as expected. But zero is truthy. Only nil and false are falsy. Empty string is truthy too, a real mindset shift. When runs the body, when true. If false, when returns nil, no else branch needed. Cond handles multi-way branching, pairs of condition and result, checked in order. Ctrl+D exits. Now let's write conditionals.clj. 2 comment lines for the header. If section. We bind x to 7, then test if it's greater than 5. When section. Only prints if x is positive, otherwise returns nil silently. Truthiness section. We'll test 0, empty string, and nil side by side. Cond section. We define describe. It classifies a number as negative, 0, or positive. Then we call describe with -3, 0, and 42. :bang clj-m%. Big, 7 is greater than 5. X is positive. The when branch fired. Truthy. 0 is not false in Clojure. Truthy again. Empty string passes. Falsy. Nil is one of just two. Negative, 0, positive. Cond classifies all three. 8 outputs. Every branch returned a value, not just executed a side effect. Episode 5. Quick recap. If is an expression, it returns a value. When handles the single branch case. Only nil and false are falsy. Everything else is truthy. Cond gives you multi-way branching with test and result pairs. Thanks for watching episode 5. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 6. Your first script with deps.edn.